this died, dude. Feels like a good fish. Guys, this is like a 50 or 60 right here, easily. Gotta get him in here. Huh. I'm so sorry, guys, for that. So sorry. But look at that thing. My gosh. He's a big one. All right, guys. You can kind of see on my point of view right here, he had a skipjack head. My front GoPro died. I'm so sorry for you guys watching. I had him on a J-hook, man. Luckily I had a J-hook because I would have lost this fish for sure. My drag setting went out on me. He croaking. He croaking. Look at this. Look at this mouth on him. Look at that. That's crazy. I know, buddy. Let me get this hook out from him. Well, I got the hook off. Time to weigh him. Oh my God! These Tennessee catfish, man, are the most ornery fish I've ever seen, dude. All right, zeroed out. Let's see if he's a 50. Oh my God. Oh, he's pushing 47. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, gosh dang, man. Gosh dang. This is a hurricane fish. Oh. Almost a 50. Almost a 50. 47 pounds, and I don't know, a couple change. Big fish. Right there. Look at that. All right, guys, we always practice catch and release. And that's what we're gonna do today. I encourage you guys to do this. It's gonna keep the giants alive and healthy in our waters. And that's what we want. See, buddy. Back into the depths. Let's go. Oh, Dad. Oh, I can't believe that. This GoPro freaking dies, guys. And I look over, my line's taken off, so I got one choice. Well, actually, I got two choices. I go change the battery out, or I hook the fish and reel it in for you guys. And that's what we did. Hurricane conditions, I knew it was gonna be good out here. I don't know how good it's gonna be out here. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Let's get another skipjack out and see if we can catch another one. Let's go. Oh, hopefully that camera difficulties won't happen again. That sucks. Absolutely stinks, but whatever. Caught a fish. Caught him on a skipjack piece. Oh. I don't know if I got that on video. I was just rambling about that fish I just caught. And this thing just went boom. Wow. That was a big take. Probably a mediocre fish, but a big take. They're right there, man. I gotta get another hook out. Let's get another bait. I'm itching. I'm itching for a big one. Don't like these pieces, but if the fish are biting right here and it looks like they're feeding on skip. A wise man once told me, match the hatch, right? If he's watching, he'll know. He'll know I'm talking about him. Still going? You still going? You still going? You still going? He dropped it. Oh my God, there he is. He must be tiny. Or he's a flathead. We're gonna let this rod bow up. We're gonna let this rod bow up on us. Come on, you know you want that big mother truck.